what happened. It was not Jesus Christ that was born in year zero. No, it was nothing to do with when Jesus Christ was born. And I even had to ask the professor a couple times. I kind of thought, wow, are they really saying this? Because I didn't think, I knew something was kind of weird about all those dates. And she said, yeah, yeah. It was the year that the Roman military at the time, imagine like we're in the United States of America. Let's just say that some facet, some force within our military here, not our uncles, brothers, and sons, but in these people decide to get together, the bad guys, let's just say, the evil forces, the lower consciousness, the ones who are selfish and wish to obtain what they want and just at the expense of everybody and who cares. Well, they actually got together and committed mutiny. And they took over everything at the time and they proclaimed that as year zero. And this is where it all started. And with the turning back the time of the entire planet somehow became year zero because of, it's almost like when the cancer started. See? Now that's another kind of stealing the light. Very related to whoever stole the light of what lit the planet. I'm not sure the dates. You know, you just go backwards in time and kind of look at timelines and figure things out. But around those same times, that's everything kind of shut down. And I've heard this being related. I don't know about this. I've heard it being related to how we were once interplanetary, and somehow there was like this gel put around our planet, and it was a frequency, you know, some kind of frequency. So, like the beings here got stuck here, or whoever was kind of traveling through it. Imagine y'all got stuck in the LAX airport. Wow. Okay, so everybody, I'm thinking about that, not be a nightmare. But okay, I'd rather be, okay, we're in SeaTac Airport. That's a little